In this example, we're going to use prime factors and Venn diagrams to find the highest common factors, often used HCF, of two numbers. Find the highest common factor of 24 and 60. So we start by finding the prime factors of these. 24 can be written as 2 times 12. 12 is 2 times 6, and 6 is 2 times 3. Whereas for 60 can be 6 times 10. Neither of those are prime. So 6 is 2 times 3, and 10 is 2 times 5. Now we're going to rewrite them. So 24 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And 60 can be rewritten as 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. We're now going to draw something called a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a rectangle, and inside it, it's going to have two overlapping circles. One of those circles is going to be for the number 24, and the other circle is going to be for 60. So what we do is we now have a look at the factors of each of those and see which ones are in the middle. Notice in the middle here where the two circles are overlapping. So what numbers have we got that are actually in both of those sets? Well, we have 2 and 2. So 2 is in the middle. We also have another 2. So that can also be in the middle. And we also have a 3. So that can be in the middle. So those factors are common to both of those numbers, those factors. What does that leave us with 24? 2, 2, 3 has already been used. So the only one we have left to put in there is 2. And for 60, 2, 3 and 2 have been used. So the only one we have left is 5. And what it's actually saying then is that if you wanted to make 24, you would go all the way around here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And if you wanted to go make 60, you would go all the way round here. And that would make 60. And those factors are common to both of them. And so these are the highest factors that are common to both of them. Let's put them together. We have 2 times 2 times 3. And that comes out to be 2 times 2, which is 4, and 4 times 3, which is 12. So that is the highest common factor of 24 and 60.